Hi, Bruce from Safiery, and what we're looking at here is this is a McConaghy 86-foot PowerCat GT. He's got the weather, which we're going to have a look at. We've got some navigation here. We're running all the navigation on the Time Zero, which is a Furuno app. In the vessel systems, we go and hit the overview. Up comes the MC. At the bottom here, when I touch E-propulsion, you can see here on either side what the RPM of the engine is. Then we actually go to the power system, which is all Victron. Tanks, our fluids that you can see here are coming in either the WEMA sensors or the STAR tank that we use. Then there are all the cabins that we've got there, the temperature you can run it at. And now we've got the lighting. So there's a total of 18 of the STAR controllers on here that are doing lighting and doing some of the other switches. And so we can then go and select the lights within each category here. Safety, fire and bilge, this is running on a PLC that we have here from a safety point of view. And let's just go straight to the windy here for the wind popping up, and that's the map of the current wind condition. Quite a nice view here of what's happening on that long term, so that's an example of what we're doing over there. Spotify account, we touch Spotify, open Spotify up, you've got to log into it, which we haven't done. We'll let the customer do that. Likewise with Netflix, so that your partner here can be watching the movies while you're driving the boat. In the navigation side here, let's have a look at the navionics down here. We don't have anything connected there at the moment, but it's popping up here to give you, you can see where we are here on the Gold Coast. The next level to this is full voice control, which we'll have in 2027. We don't have it this year. We've got a NVIDIA Jetson Orange chip running on our board now, and once we get that up and running, then we'll be able to add full voice control to pull up any of these functions just using voice. I've got to say, how good's that?